Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nur Amalina, and I'm from Information System Major, and I'm from class SI23F. And on this occasion, I'm going to deliver my presentation about the ethical challenges of artificial intelligence in the workplace. Now, imagine a workplace where AI systems can help you with your task, improve your performance, and enhance your well being. Sounds great, right? But what if those AI systems also pose ethical risks such as invading your privacy, discriminating against you, or replacing you? How would you feel then? This is a dilemma that many workers, employers, and policymakers face today. AI is transforming the workplace in many ways, creating new opportunities and challenges for ethics. And in this presentation, I will explore how we can ensure that AI in the workplace is ethical and respects human values and dignity. For the introduction, let's talk about AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, involves machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This technology is transforming the workplace, offering both new opportunities and challenges. And we're addressing critical ethical challenges in this transformation include privacy, accountability, transparency, fairness, dignity, and human rights. To tackle these challenges, we put forward a framework grounded in four key ethical principles include beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, and justice. This framework isn't just theoretical, we've applied it to four real-life workplace scenarios. These scenarios include recruitment, performance evaluation, surveillance, employee well-being. The emphasis is on ensuring ethical deployment. The next one is methods and materials. The study methods that I use is mixed methods approach that consisted of three steps. The first one is literature review of 22 existing ethical guidelines for AI in various domains and contexts. The second one is stakeholder consultation with AI researchers, developers, users, regulators, and ethicists using online surveys and interviews. And the third one is case study analysis of four scenarios of AI in the workplace, covering different sectors, applications, and impacts. The study identified and assessed the ethical risk and benefit and the trade-offs dilemmas of each scenarios and proposed an elevated possible actions and intervention based on the principle of beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, and justice. The study also discussed the implications and recommendations for workers, employers, and policymakers, and the limitations and the challenges of ethical framework. The next one is results. Ethical framework applications. Our ethical framework application revealed that AI impacts in the workplace is nuanced, with both positive and negative outcomes depending on the context, purpose, and design. The principles of beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, and justice guide ethical decision-making and address associated trade-offs. And the application to scenario is, the first one is requirement and hiring. The positive outcomes is AI improves efficiency, fairness, and diversity by reducing biases and expanding candidate pools. The negative one is potential biases, discriminations, and privacy violations arise from inaccurate data and opaque algorithms. The recommendation is to advocating for transparency, auditing for bias, and ensuring worker and employer rights are paramount. Okay, the next one is performance, evaluation, and promotions. The positive one of this is AI enhance objectivity and transparency in evaluation processes, reducing errors. The negative one is create stress and injustice by imposing unrealistic standards and overlooking contextual aspects. The recommendations one is affirming worker rights in decisions processes, aligning AI with organizational values, and respecting autonomy. And the third one is workplace surveillance and monitoring. The positive outcomes of this is AI enhance safety and productivity but may infringe on privacy and freedom. The negative one is intrusive data collection and manipulation can violate worker dignity, and the recommendation is upholding control over data and ensuring AI accountability and respecting worker diversity. And finally, the fourth one is employee well-being and engagement. The positive outcomes of this is AI can boost satisfaction and collaboration but may undermine authenticity and mental health. The negative one is displacement of human interaction and potential emotional impacts. The recommendations of this is affirming worker choice in AI features, fostering empathy and enhancing human dignity. And the next one, I'm gonna discuss about discussion. The first one is framework contribution. Our approach is comprehensive, rooted in key ethical principles. It extends beyond existing guidelines, addressing workplace scenarios. Importantly, it values diverse stakeholder views, fostering balance and decision making. Number two is implications. For workers and employers, we are enabling informed choices in AI system decisions. For policymakers, our framework guidelines the creation of ethical legal structure within AI community. It serves as an inspirational for prioritizing ethical AI creation. The third one is limitation. It's not exhaustive, acknowledging potential gaps in addressing all challenges, not perceptive. There's no one-size-fits-all solution for ethical dilemmas. Importantly, it's a dynamic framework requiring regular updates as AI tech evolves. And the fourth one is future directions. Empirical studies will validate and refine the framework's applicability. We're committed to engaging diverse stakeholders in ethical decision making. Moving forward, an interdisciplinary approach will integrate ethical, social, legal, and technical aspects in AI ethics. Okay, and finally, we've come to the final part is conclusion. In conclusion, AI or artificial intelligence in the workplace is a complex and evolving phenomenon that presents both opportunities and challenges for ethics. I have discussed some of ethical issues that arise from AI such as fairness, transparency, accountability, and human dignity. I have also proposed a framework based on beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, and justice to guide our ethical decision-making and actions. I hope that this presentation has given you some insights and inspiration to think critically and creatively about how to use AI in the workplace in a responsible and beneficial way, of course. So, thank you for your attention and time. I apologize for any mistakes in words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.